Hey creators, are you struggling to import files on Final Cut Pro? You are not alone. In this quick tutorial video, I will walk you through the most common fix so you can get back to editing as soon as possible. So let's get started. So first of all, let's open Final Cut Pro app. Here we will import a file. So let's click here. You can see I am unable to import the file. So what to do? You just need to do one step. Go to file over here, then go to new, click here, and then go to library. Click here, and then click save. Means you have created a new library. Now click import, and you can import any file. So in this way you can fix the problem of importing files on Final Cut Pro. If you really like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.